If your Eufy camera is offline, there are several possible reasons for this issue. Firstly, a low or dead battery may be the cause. So it's essential to check the battery level and charge it before putting it back in place. Another reason could be that the camera has lost its assigned IP address, resulting in it going offline. To resolve this, restart the camera by pressing and holding it. Then move the device closer to the home base. Locate the offline Eufy camera. Pause or remove it, and then add it back to restore the IP address. Additionally, it's possible that the camera was manually turned off, leading to it going offline. To fix this, simply access the settings button on the screen. Toggle the on button next to the camera settings, and the Eufy camera should be back online. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your camera up and running again.